powerful earthquakes measuring 7.7 and 6.4 magnitude hit the neighbouring country of Myanmar.
The tremors were violent.
Breaking news, a strong 7.7 magnitude earthquake has hit Myanmar.
Tremors from the quake were forceful enough to send water sloshing out of pools located high in tall buildings.
Breaking news, powerful earthquake in Thailand.
The massive quake caused a high-rise in Bangkok to collapse.
The quake so strong it toppled over this skyscraper.
As soon as that very powerful earthquake hits, this building comes crashing down with dust billowing out.
A strong earthquake has hit Myanmar.
I saw buildings shaking very violently. I saw buildings shaking very violently. And in that place, I see people running. And people are trying to run down through the stairs. They're running, say, oh, the house is collapsing. The house is collapsing.
Lots of people running downstairs to evacuate the building, and this was a scene repeated across the city.
This was the moment the earthquake hit, 12:51 p.m. local time. This was the moment the earthquake hit, 12:51 p.m. local time.
But as they were running in, they realized the roof had caved in, stairs crashed, all of them broken.
Bits of plaster, roofing fell down. One large chunk of a huge pile of the building, narrowly missing one of the government media team that was with us.
We saw that building under construction really pancake down on top of itself.
But as they were running in, power went off, so it was dark.
The earthquake hit about 1 p.m. The electricity went out, and it was very frightening, and it felt as though they were going to die.
Power outages have been reported in several parts of Thailand. Breaking news coming in where a power outage has struck Myanmar, leaving residents without electricity.
And there is smoke outside. The earthquake also has tumbled things and smoke is out.
Fires have broken out.
When all these things happen, then it shall be known that the Lord, He is God, and I am His servant, and that the Messiah is coming.
Temples, some of the pagodas that have all been damaged.
Monks cowering in their
Damaged temples and homes. Temples and homes.
Everyone was in panic and confused. People were asking what's happening. Is this an earthquake? Is this really happening? Because Thailand is not typically considered an earthquake-prone zone. Just spoke to my dad, turning 70 this year, and he's never experienced an earthquake in his lifetime.